Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello to our friends, and my lecturer is Technologist Dr. Azazi bin Atiman. We are from Group H. We will present about the maintenance of actuator. This is our team members. The first one is Abdul Fattah Ifwat bin Ishaq. Me is Muhammad Muzuddin bin Agade. And the third is Muhammad Shafiq bin Zainuddin. And the last one is Aaron Kok. We know the actuator is a machine that component about mechanical compartment or apparatus. For the introduction of maintenance actuator, an actuator is a device that converts energy into mechanical movement, such as opening or closing valve. Actuator maintenance is important to ensure actuator reliability, performance, and longevity. Next one is butterfly actuator. A butterfly actuator can be worked physically, electrically, pneumatically, or using pressurized water, depending on the control source, estimate weight, and reaction time required for the application. Butterfly actuator can provide proportional flow control by adjusting the angle of the disc between a fully open and fully closed position. Next is the link between machine actuator and diagnostic and troubleshooting. Actuator motor maintenance is an important part of ensuring proper functioning of an actuator, which is a device that converts energy into mechanical motion, such as opening and closing a valve. By performing regular inspection and repairs on motors, contactor, fuse, and other electrical components, actuator motor maintenance can help prevent or identify common problems that affect actuator performance, such as water damage, melted wires, burn motors, or short circuits. Actuator motor maintenance can also help compare the motor actual torque output with the actuator's optimal torque profile and detect deviations or anomalies that may indicate mechanical or electrical issues. Therefore, the maintenance of the actuator motor is important to solve diagnostic problems and ensure the reliability and longevity of the actuator. The next one is a procedure. For adjustment for actuator extent, we must follow the step that has given to troubleshoot a actuator machine. First, we can see at the flowchart, this is our procedure, has to follow it. And the butterfly actuator, same, just the difference between actuator extend and butterfly actuator. The butterfly actuator, we short the spring with using a spanner, and then we read a reading that has shown at the pressure gauge. That's all from me, and next I will pass the slide to Muhammad Shafiq bin Zainuddin to continue it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Zainuddin, and I will present about two related about this assignment. Okay, first we have a pressure gauge. The function is to measure the pressure and flow rate of the fluids such as air, oil, water, or anything else that power the actuator. Okay, second we have a wrench, or we call it a spanner. So the function to tighten or loosen the mounting bolts, nuts of the actuator. And then we have a screwdriver. Same function is to tighten and loosen the screw from the actuator. And lastly, the two related is a roller. The ruler is to measure the spring from both actuator in an early experiment and after finish the adjustment of the spring actuator. And now I will present about the symptom of actuator. A device that monitor and adjust the performance of a system or equipment, based on a predefined criteria and feedback signal. It is used for diagnostic and troubleshooting to identify and correct faults, error and malfunctions in a timely and efficient manner. For example, a simple service actuator can adjust temperature, pressure or fluid flow in a pipe by opening and closing valve. It is often part of a larger control system consisting of sensor, controller and actuator. Can be divided into two types, linear and rotary. Linear drive move in a straight line, while rotary drive rotate around an axis. And now I will present about damage mechanism. Okay, from this experiment of maintainer actuator, we found one damage of mechanism at gauge valve. We saw the leaking of component. That's all from me, so I will pass the next slide to next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Fattah Ifwat bin Ishaq. So I would like to explain about the root case of machine. So the first one is no power. The actuator may be malfunction or completely die. Number 2 is human error. It's a mistake from the individual that can lead to undesirable outcome. Number 3 is broken wire or loose connector. A broken wire can disturbing the flow or the electric current. Number 4 is wound out gear. It can cause the decrease overall performance. Number 5 is overheat. Overheating can lead to reduction of performance or damage to the component part. Number 6 is adjustment of the limit switch. Incorrect limit switch adjustment can affect the stability or reliability of the overall system. The last one is interference from the source. It can disturb normal operation. The next part is corrective action to repair the damage. The first one is fault code analysis. If the maintenance actuator is equipped with a fault code system, analyze the generate code to identify the specific issue. Second, sensor verification. Check the reading from relevant sensor associated with the actuator. If the sensor data indicate anomaly or inconsistency, investigate and address sensor issue to ensure accurate diagnostic. Third one is data logging and analysis. Use data logging tool to record and analyze the actuator performance over time. Look for pattern or trend that may indicate potential issue and use this data to guide corrective action. The last one is documentation of diagnostic and correction. Maintain details record of diagnostic result and the corresponding corrective action taken. This documentation is crucial for tracking to actuator health and performance over time. The next part is preventive action to avoid repeated case. The first one is inspection. Establish a routine inspection schedule to check for any sign of wear, corrosion or damage. Perform preventive maintenance based on manufacturer recommendation. Replace worn out or damaged part properly. Second is lubrication. Ensure that the actuator is properly lubricated to reduce friction and wear. Follow the manufacturer guideline for the type and frequency of lubricant. Third, monitoring and diagnostic. Implement a monitoring system to track actuator performance. Utilize sensor and monitoring device to detect anomaly or deviation from normal operation condition. Implement preventive maintenance based on data from monitoring system. The last one is documentation. Maintain detailed record of maintenance activities, inspection and any replacement. Use historical data to identify pattern or trend that may indicate potential issue.
Hello, my name is Aaron Kok with number matrix B0921104442. As a conclusion, actuators are crucial in various industries. They converting input energy into mechanical motion and then controlling system and device for precise and efficient operation. After that, actuators are driven by various types of energy, including electromechanical, hydraulic, and pneumatic. Each type has its advantages and disadvantages. It is depending on the application and environment. Moreover, electromechanical actuators are precise, efficient, and environmentally friendly, while hydraulic actuators are powerful, reliable, noisy. Lastly, pneumatic actuators are simple, fast, and safe. Thank you.